Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. Wanted to come in today and chat with you guys about the countdown to 177-pound weight loss. Just wanted to stop by and say hi, beautiful friends. Hope you guys are having a great new year so far. I am still trekking, still trying, still working hard, still pushing, still keep moving forward, guys, doing all I can to lose the weight, guys. Remember in my previous videos, I talked about currently being on a weight loss journey to lose 177 pounds. My goal weight is to get to 140. My highest weight was 317, and my current weight is currently 265.6 pounds, guys. So yeah, woo! Yay, I am doing all I can, guys, to get down. I have lost 51.4 pounds so far, and I want to keep it going until I reach my goal, guys. So I still have 125.6 pounds more to lose. So I have lost the weight so far by exercising every single day for 30 minutes. So every day, guys, I'm doing some type of exercise every single day. I've been fasting, I've been doing intermittent fasting, and I've been doing OMAD, guys. That's 1 meal a day. So whatever I can do to try to naturally get this weight off and get the moving and get the grooving. And I'm so excited, guys. You can join in on this journey too. The more the merrier. What are you doing to lose weight? What are your weight loss goals? Comment below. Let's do this together. Let's cheer each other on, guys. Let's do it, okay? So I said what are you doing to be a new you in 2022? Comment below, guys. Let's do this together. Let's cheer each other on. Let's help motivate each other. So that's all I have to say. Just wanted to come in and give you an update on what I'm currently at, guys. So I'm vlogging this journey because I want to continue to motivate myself and keep myself inspired, guys. So, and I hope it inspires you too. So love you guys. You are amazing. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.